The art never fails to stimulate, fascinate, and motivate our imagination. Always leave us asking that was thinking the author at the time of creating a work. More than to portray a moment of every life, I see art as a medium in which feelings, dreams, and emotions become tangible. Surrealism is a pictorial movement of 20th century, characterized by capturing paintings and other objects. Images apparently real but strangely related and give rise to our dreams. My favorite painting is Scarlet Aurora. Was born in 1948 by Salvador Dalí. Dalí is the most popular representative of this artistic trait. His work surprise us by some associations of objects that we will never find but in our dreams can occur naturally. Dalí was a great teacher of drawing and detail in the representation. Dalí invented many things that others have continued or imitated, as for example, the paranoid critical method, the anachronismo, and the world of dreams to canvas. He went through several stages before arriving to the style that made him surrealist. He was of qualities very particular and heterodox. In many of his works, it shows a strong inspiration in the Renaissance. Religion, history, and science occupy more of his works. Difficult to understand, for the most part, the paintings are interpreted with analyzing his life, the era that taken, and the title of things, serving as a small anchor to the reality. A characteristic of the surrealist, but it feels more intensely in the work of Dalí, is the realism with which painting objects, which sometimes makes believe that more than paintings are photographs of strange situations. In this painting, he represents what is apparently alien, even rise and down, but at the same time is the work of a man. In particular, fascinates me because it has many stories to tell. I can't stop to imagine what makes a nation the desert. Who are the people that surround it? What the sun arises from the center? And the men? For me, the sun is a symbol of optimism, and when I see the different sun in a work, it is sure that I fall in it. It's amazing how Dalí connects disparate objects. I think of this painting as a getaway to a new world, where men as we know it today will change completely and will be reborn. Dalí is an unpredictable man. He pretended to be crazy and paranoid. His life was really original and interesting, like his work of art. Julia? He said that the true artist is one who is capable of painting extraordinary scenes in the middle of an empty desert. The true artist is one who is able to potentially paint a peer surrounded by the tumult of history.
Created using Powtoon.